This is the easiest home business to start after 60, up to 1,200 a day. Sound unbelievable, right? But here's the truth. You don't need to be a tech whiz. You don't need to have a huge following, and you certainly don't need to start from scratch. In this video, I'm going to show you the exact home business that's both simple and profitable. One that I believe is perfect if you're starting over 60. And here's the kicker. It's something you can build once and it keeps earning for years. Curious what it is? Stick with me because by the end, you're going to realize why this is the easiest path. Hello, I'm Dr. Shelley Nash, mindset, confidence, and style coach, retired chiropractor, and cat mom of 2. I've been where you are, wanting more income and time without the overwhelm. Now I'm here to help you build digital success and the confidence to make it happen. Imagine turning what you already know into an online course. You don't need to be a guru, you just need to be one step ahead of somebody else. Courses can sell from 50, 100, and 500, and people all over the world are eager to learn from real experience. If you've ever thought, who would listen to me? The truth is thousands of people every day are searching for exactly what you've learned over the years. But what if you don't feel like teaching? That's where this next option comes in. Ready to learn more? Grab my free Freedom Formula blueprint below. It's the exact guide I followed when I started, and it breaks it down step by step. What if you could create something once and sell it over and over again without live teaching? Templates save people time. Whether it's checklists, planners, Canva graphics, or contracts. These sell from $5 to $50 each. And with volume, that adds up quickly. $200 a day is very realistic. This is one of the fastest ways to start earning online because people love quick wins and you only have to create it once. But maybe you want to combine courses with templates into something way more powerful. Thinking this makes sense, but you need to see how it fits together? Then grab my free Freedom Formula blueprint below. It's the exact guide that I used when I started, and it breaks it down step by step for you. This is where the magic happens for you. Toolkits. Toolkits bundle small courses, templates, and resources together. They can sell from $97 to $279, and they give the buyer everything they need in one place. This is perfect if you want to over-deliver value while still keeping things simple. And a single toolkit sale could cover your groceries for a week. But what if you're thinking, I'm not techy enough to handle any of this? Let's tackle that now. Want to see how it connects? I've got you covered. Download my free Freedom Formula blueprint below. It's the exact formula that I use to go from zero to earning online. You don't need to be a techie to start. Platforms like Canva and Etsy are making selling digital products incredibly easy. You can literally drag, drop, and publish. The learning curve is smaller than you think. And once you set it up, it almost runs on autopilot. And now let's talk about the real reason why this works so well over 60. Here's the truth. Being over 60 is your advantage, not your setback. You bring wisdom, life experience, and perspective that younger creators simply don't have. People crave authenticity and guidance from someone who's lived it. Even if you only work 2 to 3 hour days, $1,200 days are possible once your product gains traction. This isn't about hustling harder. It's about working smarter, packaging your knowledge, and letting digital tools do the heavy lifting. So if you've ever wondered if it's too late to start, this is your answer. It's not too late to start. In fact, it's the perfect time. The easiest home business to start after 60 is digital products because they give you flexibility, freedom, and income while you sleep. Now, I'd love to hear from you. If you could package one thing you've learned over your lifetime into a digital product, what would that be? Comment below. I can't wait to read your answers. Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss the next video. Now that you've learned about the easiest home business to start after 60, up to $1,200 a day, you might want to learn how I didn't go viral, but I earned 20K in just 2 months over 60. It all starts by watching this next video, because when you pair it with what you just learned, it's going to be way more powerful. See you on the next video.